So let's write the equation in slope-intercept form with the given criteria. We are given that the slope is 7/8, and we're given that our line cuts through the point 7,5. So we are asked to write this in slope-intercept form. So this is slope-intercept form of our line, where M represents the slope, X and Y are a given point, B does represent the y-intercept. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this y equals mx plus b. We're going to plug in what we know. Again, this slope here is our m, so we will plug in 7/8 for m. We do have a point right over here. That point represents an x and a y on our graph. So we have m, we have x and y. All we need to do is find b here for this problem. So let's go ahead and plug in. Y is a 5. So y equals m, which is 7/8, times x, which is a 7, plus b. Let's simplify that. All right, so we have 7/8 times 7. You can write this as a fraction if you would like, right? With 7, we can turn it into a fraction by doing it 7 over 1, so that when we multiply this, you multiply fractions across. Top times top makes that 49. Over bottom times bottom, 8 times 1 is an 8. In order to solve for b, all we have to do is subtract that 49/8 on each side. So if we subtract 49/8 on each side, it's going to cancel on the right. B is going to equal to, so let me calculate this real quick. So I like calculating things by hand. We had a 5. We are subtracting 49/8 from it, which means we need to find common denominators. Common denominators of 1 and 8 is an 8. So we need to multiply this fraction by 8 over 8, making that 40 over 8. Keep your common denominator, subtract your numerators. 40 minus 49 is a negative 9. So B is equal to a negative 9/8. So our equation in slope-intercept form, all right, when you're creating an equation in slope-intercept form, you're plugging into this equation to find any missing pieces. Your answer in the end, make sure that you put everything together. The y and the x stay part of your equation. Your final solution, what you're plugging in, is m and b. We were given m is 7/8. So our equation y is equal to 7/8 x plus our b. We calculated that. We got a negative 9/8. This is our equation in slope-intercept form.